Welcome to Honiara, the capital of the Solomon Islands, one of the least visited countries in the world. Only a small number of travelers make it here each year, and getting here isn't exactly easy. But that's exactly what makes this place so intriguing. Over the next 48 hours, I'm going to explore the streets, the waterfront, and everyday life here in Honiara to see what the city is really like. Welcome back to my little travel channel, and a big thank you to all my returning viewers. I've just landed here in Honiara, and I'm on my way to the hotel in the city center. In this video, I'll be exploring Honiara, sharing my first impression, and checking out some of the main landmarks around town. This is the National Stadium, built with Chinese aid and regarded as one of the best stadiums in Oceania. Traffic in Honiara can be quite unpredictable. That's mainly because there's only one main highway running from east to west through the CBD. Add heavy rain and poor maintenance and you get plenty of potholes. Although authorities say they're working on fixing it as part of a major road improvement project. This is my hotel, the King Solomon Hotel, one of the original hotels here in the CBD, and currently going through some renovations. To get to the rooms, you actually take a small cable car up the hill, which is pretty unique. Not gonna lie though, hotels in Honiara are quite expensive because there aren't many options. But the King Solomon is relatively affordable at around 170 Australian dollars a night. The room do feel a bit retro and old, but the location's right in the city is definitely a plus. First stop, I'm heading down to check out the Honiara waterfront, the port and wharf area. This is considered one of the most developed parts of the city. From here, I'll walk along Commonwealth Street, which should lead me to the entrance of Millennium Terminal, where the domestic pier is located, and where many boats depart to the outer islands. This is Cruise Road, home to the domestic wharf and the Millennium Terminal. From here, boats depart to the outer islands. And with nearly 1,000 islands in the Solomon Islands, the sea is really the main highway. This wharf and the sea routes are essential for travel here. Without them, many people from the outer provinces wouldn't be able to get around, since air travel is limited and quite expensive. Unfortunately, the Solomon Islands is classified as the least developed country, so some basic amenities are still lacking, like properly paved roads in certain areas. But since COVID, the country has been going through several infrastructure projects to help improve conditions and eventually graduate from this status, with assistance from Australia, China, the World Bank, and the Asian Development Bank. The price of Honiara is its waterfront. It's raw and still underdeveloped, but that's exactly what makes it beautiful and untouched. That's also why Lonely Planet recommends the Solomon Island as a destination to visit in 2026. It's day 2, starting the day with breakfast, and then I'll head out to explore more of the town. I'm walking toward the town square roundabout on Mandana Avenue. Today, I'm heading to East Honiara to check out some of the battle sites from the Guadalcanal campaign. Unfortunately, that won't be in this video. I'll be making a separate video about it. This is Bulk Shop, a local supermarket chain here in Honiara. Let's go inside and see what they have available. They sell pretty much everything here. Most of the products seem to be imported, especially from Australia. Things like dairy products and cheese. They also sell bread, frozen food, and other groceries, similar to what you'll find in Coles or Woolworths. Prices seems to be a bit more expensive side compared to Australia. The hotel has a nice waterfront view and a boardwalk that's worth visiting. Let's check out Honiara Central Market.